Hey guys, my name is Ayana and this is my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a pretty cool wall decor idea, and that is to create your very own personalized canvas pictures. Let's get into it. For today's project, I'll be using two 8x10 paint canvases. You can feel free to use whatever sizes you wish for your projects. Next, you want to use either photos or printouts of whatever you would like your canvas art to be. Today, I'll be using my animated logo as well as the name of my channel for this project. And I also used Canva and Word to get the sizes and fonts that I needed and printed it out. You'd also need modpodge, nylon bristle paintbrush. I love using these, so I got myself paintbrushes specifically for all my Mod Podge projects, and paper scissors. With everything in hand, it's time to begin step one. Step one is basically cutting out your artwork that you would have printed. If you're using photos and you're not going to do any cutting, then you can skip this step. Now what I'm going to do is cut out as much as the white paper as I can, because my canvas is really an off-white while my paper is this bright white. So it's going to look a bit off. So I'm going to cut out as much white as possible. For step two, once everything was cut, I used my Mod Podge to apply all my pieces onto my canvas. Before moving on to the final step, I realized that my canvas art needed a little pop. It was too plain looking. So I decided to use these stick-on jewels to give it that little pop, and I just played around with placements here. Now you don't have to do this, you can actually leave this part out. If the photos that you're using or the pictures that you're using is enough pop as it is, you can leave this part out. For the final step, you want to apply 2 coats of Mod Podge. This is not only to protect the artwork on your canvas, but it's also to give it that nice luster that you will normally see on a lot of these wall arts. As always guys, I hope this inspires you to create your own wall decor and also inspires you to be creative. And until next time, deuces.